Microphones are one of the main input devices into the sound system. Polarization defines the pattern at which a microphone can pick up sound. These patterns are 360-degree, omni, or bidirectional, 180-degree, cardioid, varidirectional or called shotgun. There are many types of microphones. We have many types, for different uses. Each have what they do best. Your responsibility is to determine what the need is, then match a microphone that best meets that need. There are two major types of microphones, dynamic and condenser. Dynamic microphones are used primarily as handheld microphones. They are not very sensitive, so they must be held close to the speaker's mouth. Condenser microphones are much more sensitive. The Shure SM58 dynamic microphone has long been the favorite of singers. It is important that the singer hold it close to their mouth. It is not as sensitive as a condenser microphone. The PG48 and 58 microphone are similar to the SM58. The difference is that they both have an on-off switch. The switch sets the sound tech up to fail if the performer switches the microphone off while on the stage. The tech has lost control of the situation. I usually place black tape over the switch to prevent this from happening. It is best if the sound tech just mutes the microphone when it is not being used. The Beta 57 is a condenser microphone. It might be used for instruments or multiple singers. It requires 48-volt phantom power from the mixer. The C1 condenser microphone has a 180-degree cardioid pattern. It is used as an area microphone. It requires 48-volt phantom power from the mixer. The C3 condenser microphone has a switched 3-pattern polarity. It too is used as an area microphone. It requires 48-volt phantom power from the mixer. The podium microphone is a condenser microphone. It allows the speaker to be further away while standing at the podium. It requires 48-volt phantom power from the mixer. The shotgun microphone is very directional, rejecting most of the sound coming from the sides. It requires 48-volt phantom power from the mixer. Wireless microphones are very handy. They allow more freedom of movement by not having a cable. The media booth has a single unit, which includes 4 receivers connected to the mixer. There are 2 handheld microphones. There are 2 transmitter packs connected to 1 lavalier microphone and 1 boom headset microphone. All these use 9-volt batteries. We have 4 hanging choir mics. They require 48-volt phantom power from the mixer. As condenser mics, they are used to capture area choir voices. They are mounted semi-permanent on a 50-pound fishing line. Their position is adjustable by moving their attachment mount along the north wall sliding track. The challenge is this: determine which is the proper microphone to be used for that particular task, then use the microphone correctly. This concludes this tutorial.